Right, this is how to install how to make your horn work on your quick release on your steering wheel. Alright, so this is a 2000 Honda Civic, and I already started this off. You remove the steering wheel and you remove these connections right here. These connections, it's this and that, and this gray connection with that blue wire with the gray dots or whatever they are. That's the wire you're gonna use for your horn. All right, so you're gonna remove this whole thing and get that wire. Now we're done this here, and here's that connection. So there's only two connections. There's this one and that other yellow one I showed you. So you're only gonna use this one. All right, and that wire, it looks gray, whatever, but it's easy. This gray connection with the blue and the gray. And you use that, you're gonna connect it. And what I did here is, as I got these, I don't know what they're called, crimps, and I put that to this wire right here, which loops. It goes inside. It went inside a hole right here, and to this other hole. All right, and it loops like that, and it's always gonna be pushing up against your hub. This bronze part right here, it's always gonna be pushing up against that to make a connection. All right, and that's pretty easy right there. It's held in place by the hub. So I'm gonna put this hub on. I'll show you real quick. All right, you're gonna make sure you know how to do this, how to install. It's pretty easy, but make sure you know what you're doing. All right. Right, you put the hub in, and that loop is touching your brass, that brass plate that's connected to your short hub. And after that, you got these two separate wires, and these two separate wires are that's the final connection you're gonna use. That's gonna lead off to this quick release. So they're gonna connect. They're gonna connect like that. Let me see, male to female, like that. All right, and after that, it goes to your steering wheel, which connects to this is your steering wheel button. All right, and this is the button. This is the final connection right here. You're gonna put these. You're gonna connect them, and after your horn is gonna work. All right. So this should already work already. See, I'm using one hand, so let me see if I can get it. See if I can get it to beep. All right. All right. Or whatever. It beeped already, so that's the most complicated part, how to figure that out. So just make sure you connect that to that and get a little loop. Make sure it's always touching. See, you can see there, it's always touching right there. All right, and it's pretty easy, and that's it.